Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Whirlpool washing machine. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got a new home and you want to go ahead and learn how to use your Whirlpool washing machine. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to actually go ahead and use it, what you're first going to do is that you're going to turn it on by pressing this button. And then you have multiple different modes on your Whirlpool washing machine. The one that I use most of the time is normal, but let's say that you have delicates, maybe you want a quick wash because you're running out of time. You could simply just twist the dial, but I'd say 90% of the time, you are going to use the normal mode. Now, with the normal mode, the next thing that you want to do is that you want to press on the rinse option, and you want to make sure that the fabric softener is turned on. Now, the only reason or one of the reasons why this would actually be turned off is that maybe you forget to turn it on, or you might be allergic to some of the fabric softeners that are out there. So you can simply just turn it off and there you have it. And so with it, I normally keep the fabric softener on. And then afterwards, you just want to press on hold to start. I normally don't adjust the temperature of the water. I normally just keep it to warm. I wouldn't recommend putting it to hot. And if you want, you can put it to cold by changing the temperature. But for my case, or usually 90% of the cases that I use this for, I normally just place it on warm water. And afterwards, you just want to click on hold to start. But before you do that, you do want to make sure that you pop this open and pull this open. And so this is where your laundry detergent is going to go. And I normally fill it to the max line. And then over here is where your fabric softener is going to go as well. And so with that, once you place your softener and your laundry detergent, you just want to go ahead and click on hold to start, and it should start and you're going to hear it click and turn on. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your Whirlpool washing machine. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.